My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video, once again, we are talking about the Shiba Inu token. As you can see here now on the screen, the technical analysis, the price chart of the Shiba Inu token, and this is my prediction for the Shiba Inu token. Hope they will soon go in this direction, and they follow my direction for Shiba Inu token. As you can see here, now my prediction is 100% positive. I think that the Shiba Inu token only give you a profit, not loss, friends. That's my personally expectation from the Shiba Inu token, and especially personally I'm holding a 2.5 billion Shiba Inu token in this time. In my personally plan to sell Shiba Inu token in the last of 2021, friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe, so please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel, friends. So as you can see here, they continue has traveled between these areas. As you can see here, the Shiba Inu token has two possibilities, but as you can see here, a lot of possibilities as to take a jump rates. As you can see here, that is the neutral line. Let me show you once again on the chart. That is the neutral line. As you can see here, the small green line represent that is the neutral line. And if we look the current situation of the Shiba Inu token, so they're trying to move upward. As you can see here, not goes down, friends. So that's mean that there is a lot of chances today goes upward, friends. And let me show more. And now the current price is my target for the Shiba Inu token as that they or goes to head same like that continuously. If they fast down, take a jump, gradually they move upward, and very soon they are going to hit 0.01 USD dollar, friends. Personally, I really like Shiba Inu token, but as you know that the Shiba Inu token start quick jump in the previous last 1 week, friends. That is why now this time I'm very happy with the Shiba Inu token. Millionaire are those who's hold Shiba Inu token in this time, friends. Who said Shiba Inu token, so only you get a small amount of profit, and if you don't get don't sell Shiba Inu token, so absolutely you are in the profit, and I hope that you will get a good amount of profit with the Shiba Inu token. Especially that is why I'm suggest for me that I'm going to sell my Shiba Inu token in the last of 2021, friends. So now at this time they have no plan to fast down. There is only one plan that they goes upward, friends. And a few 1 days, and coming soon 1 days, there's only their idea to take a jump in the future, no idea to fast down in the future, friends. Anyways, that's only my prediction. What's your prediction? What's your opinion about Shiba Inu token? Please also share in the comment box. And personally, once again, I request all of you that personally I will update you every time, so please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.